Guess it's starting that online business for that.
Good morning, baby.
Let me guess. You? No, my Aunt Carol. Yummy. Ho. Who are you calling ho? Ho? Anyways, what are you gonna be selling? To be honest, I was thinking of purchasing those dupes, like cell phone cases that they sell on AliExpress. And you know, they come like in a pack of 10 for like $30 and just sell them as if they were LifeProof cases for $30. So you're basically the off-brand reseller knockoff of AliExpress. Yeah, basically. Lol. You do know there are like thousands of people that do that right now, right? Yeah, but no offense, of course. I'm just saying that a lot of people do that already. And babe, the phone cases on there are trash. Not to mention, really bad for the environment. Ugh. Yeah. Okay, I know. How about selling brand knockoffs of Pandoras and Toes, but like cheaper than them, you know? Like, let's be real. I mean, some people dig that, right? It's like doing charity work so they can buy it. I mean, yeah, I guess, but it's also kind of the same as the phone cases. Also, do you want to risk somebody having an ear infection just because they want a little bear on their ear? I mean, that's a worst case scenario, but... Yeah, worst case scenario. I know. You can become a craftsmanship. You can do resin, you can do wood art, you can do glass, I mean, henna if you want to, macrame, that's all up to you. That's not like a lot of work and investments, you know? Yeah, but some people out there are gonna be like,
Damn, this girl has it all together. She's a damn boss and got a big, thick.
Yeah, okay. You know? I don't know. Yeah, me neither. Babe, everything takes time, money, and heart for it to work properly. Right now, you're not gonna see immediate results, but if you're truly passionate, you'll get that shmoney. You'll get that shmoney. Thank you, Carbon. No problem. That's what friends are for. Before you go, wait. Can I get that forehead kiss? No. We ain't there yet. But we are. Alright.
I know I'm supposed to talk about acting and find some clever thread connecting these performances, but their beauty and brilliance surely lies in the fact that there isn't one. And I'm sorry that all these men can't win. Here are the nominees for performance by an actor in a leading role. Antonio Banderas, Pain and Glory. DiCaprio, Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. Adam Driver, Marriage Story.
Carbon Gab YouTube video.
And the Oscar goes to...
Carbon Gab YouTube video.
This is the first Oscar and fourth nomination for
Carbon Gab. That's what 3 a.m. work looks like. I thought the sketch would make a lot more sense, but it didn't. Nevertheless, I'm leaving it in. Let's move on to the actual video. Sorry about that.
What's up, you guys? Welcome. I'm leaving that in. I hope everybody's doing amazing today. Now, let's just jump right in. In today's video, we're gonna talk about the things I wish I knew before starting my own small business. These things are supposed to help you either to have advice or tips before starting, so you don't have to just jump right in and have that question like,
What am I gonna do now? How can I buy these things? Do I need this?
I got you, babe. I got you. Thank you. You want another one? Advice number 1. Investing money is as important as investing time. You're not gonna have a small business just lying around because you don't want to invest your time in it. Now I get it. When starting, it is really hard to gain an audience and one gets really dismotivated to continue. But trust me, it'll get way better with time. And by that I mean content is important, your dedication to it is important, everything is important when starting your online business. That really put me into perspective that right now I haven't posted in literally 3 months in my business. Número 2, social media is an important key to your success. Now trust me, when I say everybody's on social media, everybody is on social media.
Everybody.
Doesn't matter if it's emails, it doesn't matter if it's Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, MySpace, Kik, Wiggle Tunes. Everybody's on social media, and the way that you're gonna get an audience is by you posting they engaging, liking, saving, sharing, all that jiggle-majiggle process that is called an algorithm. Don't you think that social media's algorithm for small businesses suck? I can tell you that if I'm following a famous person, that post is literally the first thing I see instead of a person that posted 3 days ago and I've been online 3 continuous days and I haven't seen that post from that person. Número 3. Really important, shipping. Yeah. Now shipping at first, it's pretty stressful. It's a really long process if you don't have the tools and materials at hand.
Now, personally, I didn't start off my small business with a website, so what I did at the time was take orders via DM. And I can tell you, it can get messy. So my advice to you, if you're gonna start off that way, make sure you're organized. Always take the customer's information and make sure that every transaction goes through. But if you don't think you're up for that troublesome, I would advise you to try something like Etsy or Shopify's free trial so you can just test the waters before you get into any commitment of having a small business.
I started by taking DMs and it was so time consuming because you had to constantly be up that person and be like, oh, you like this piece? This piece is worth this amount. Oh, I really like it. Do you still have it? Yes, we do have it. Oh, okay. How can I pay for it? Please fill out this small direction, da-da-da-da-da. Here you go. And all I need is a payment confirmation, please. That's the process in DMs. Now it all depends. You don't really need to have a website for starts. I'd say if you're gonna start off, test the waters with Etsy because you don't have to pay like $30 for subscriptions and all that jazz. If you think that you're generating more than enough and it will save you a lot of money in the long run, and time is money, go for it, go for a website. Don't think about it 3 times like I did, just do it.
Now, these are the things that you need in order to ship a package. Envelopes or shipping boxes to put your product in, a scale in order to weigh your package to get accurate shipping costs, packaging tape. This is really optional because some envelopes have an adhesive so you can close the package up, but some don't, and some boxes don't either. A label printer or a regular printer, both work just fine. In the long run, I would totally recommend you guys getting a label printer because it would save you a lot of time, and like I said, time is money. Another thing that I would 100% recommend, print your own labels. When you do the post office work at home, you can save a lot of money. And by a lot, I mean a lot of money. Let's take an example. I once went to the post office so I could send a 4-ounce package. And you know how much that was? $3.80. What the heck? $3.80 for a package that doesn't even weigh the same as my wallet? And my wallet doesn't even have anything. But by me doing it at home, by using websites like Stamp, or Shopify itself has a separate section for your orders and printing out and purchasing your own labels, and so does Etsy, by the way. You can save so much. For packages that weigh that little, like 4 ounces, like I said, they can go around $2 to $2.50 at maximum. That's a huge difference compared to $3.80. If you were to send like 20 packages, you are to save from $26 to $36. Can you imagine all the chicken nuggets I could buy? Like, wow. I think the rest is pretty straightforward on how to ship a package, but if you guys like a video someday or of anything, make sure to leave a big thumbs up and like and subscribe. I would really appreciate if you guys did that. Also, don't be afraid to comment and tell me what you want to see next.
Número 4. Packaging is important. Let's be real. We've all been that type of person that you look at a book, that's a really nice cover. I bet it's interesting, even though it's pure trash. And the books that you see that are like, that book is dull, plain, one-colored. Looks like a Bible, you know? Let's be real, we've all been that person. You don't have to lie, we get it. Don't try to be good. I still love you. Packaging can go from anything to having little envelopes inside of the envelope. You can have boxes, you can have sprinkles of lavender, you can do whatever you want. Let's give an example. I have these things here on my website. Boing! Oh my god, they're gone, somebody bought them. Yay! I'm gonna send them to you. I got the package. That's it? Well, thank you or something? I didn't expect for a thank you. Let's not be a bad person, but these are kind of expensive. That's what you paid for it, so. That was such bad acting, but that's all I had. It's not really that fun to buy a package that it's only gonna include plastic and whatever, especially if you're local. We're basically buying a part of you. I bought this necklace from a friend. She was super nice. She gave me a really thank you card. She was really sweet. And I love the necklace. It's really meaningful. It's something I know she worked hard on, and that meant a lot to me because now I have this. Now I get it, and on the start, it ain't that easy, but just give a thank you card. They'll thank for it. They'll be like, oh, that's so sweet. You don't need a box. You don't need nothing. Just something as simple as a sticker that says thank you shows that at least you put detail in sending that order. Number 5, so I can say goodbye. There is always room. Why are you there? Move. Room for growth. Yes. If there wasn't growth in products, every Sephora item will have 5 stars because that is for everybody. Every item is for everybody. You have sensitive skin, so that guy has sensitive skin. Everybody has sensitive skin.
Can I get an amen?
Yes. No, that's not the true fact. Take it from me. Literally. All those errors are what make me what I am now. Trial, error. There's always room for improvement, whether it's the packaging, like I said, shipping, the product itself. For example, an issue that I'm having is that not everybody can wear my earrings. My earrings are not made of pure gold. That's a lot of money for me to invest, so that type of audience is excluded. But that doesn't mean that that's the point of not growth. That's the point of an audience to reach, so that's growth for me. Improvement. If every item is perfect from every company, everything will have 5 stars, everything will suit everybody perfectly, but that's not the real thing. Always keep growing, unless you're like 20 and you can literally not go anymore. Now that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you guys subscribe if you liked the video. If you didn't like it, well, leave it a thumbs up, but if you did like it, leave it a thumbs up. My thumb, I thought, I put it like this and I was like, what the heck is this? Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next time. I hope these tips will help. And if you have any certain questions, make sure to leave it in the comments below. Wait. We didn't finish our forehead kiss. I love you.
You've been sending flowers to me. Flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in.
What are you still doing here? You want another forehead kiss? You weirdo.